GCF and the distributive property. We're going to use the GCF and the distributive property to rewrite the expression 15 plus 6 as a product. And that means we're going to need to put parentheses in. So we're going to start like we always do, and we're going to find the GCF of 15 and 6. So I can divide both of these numbers by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. We are done because 5 and 2 do not have any factors in common other than 1. The only difference today than yesterday is this plus sign right here. So I'm just going to plop it in there. We have our GCF. To rewrite, we want to have a number on the outside, parentheses, and then 2 numbers on the inside being added together. This number right here is going to be the GCF, and that number is 3. Then the 2 numbers on the inside are going to be these 2 numbers right here. We're going to take those and we're going to put them here. We have 5 plus 2. So the answer to this is going to be 3 parentheses 5 plus 2. We have rewritten this expression with parentheses using the distributive property and the GCF. The next one, we're doing the same thing. We're going to use the GCF and the distributive property to rewrite the expression 18 plus 45 as a product, which means we need to add in those parentheses. So I'm going to find the GCF of 18 and 45. I can divide both of these by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 15 is 45. I can divide again. I can take out 3 again. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. I've now finished because 2 and 5 do not have any factors in common. I need to put the plus sign there. And the GCF is 9. So to rewrite it, we're going to put the GCF on the outside, parentheses, and then this is going to go on the inside, 2 plus 5. So the outside is the GCF, and the inside is what's left at the bottom here. Next, we're going to use GCF and the distributive property to rewrite 60 plus 90 as a product using parentheses. So 60 and 90. I know 10 can go into these. So I'm going to divide both by 10. I end up with 6 and 9. These numbers can be divided by 3. I end up with 2 and 3. I need to put my plus sign in. My GCF is 30. And I'm going to rewrite it using the distributive property. So my GCF goes on the outside. And these numbers are going to go on the inside of the parentheses, 2 plus 3. And that's our answer. Now, this one, we're working backwards. We're going to take the parentheses and we're going to distribute and multiply through. So this time, we're going to end up with a number added to a number. So I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to multiply it by 3. I get 6. I'm going to take 2 and multiply it by 7. I get 14. My answer, 6 plus 14.